This video explains the LH5P II wired control Panasonic S5 II camera tutorial. Connect one end of the control cable to the Type-C port of the camera and the other end to the remote port of the monitor. Tap the screen to bring up the menu. Tap Camera. Tap Wi-Fi USB to point for G. Once connected, the camera will display a USB mode window. Select PC Tether. Once the monitor detects the camera, the pairing is complete. Tap Rec to turn camera recordings on or off. Switch to the photo position and click the photo button to take a picture. Tap Iris to control the aperture. Tap Shutter to change the camera shutter speed. Tap ISO to adjust the ISO. Tap Focus, and in AF mode, tap the touch focus icon to touch focus. Tap WB to change the white balance mode. When white balance is set to color temperature mode, tap CT to adjust the color temperature. When ISO is auto, tap EV to adjust the image exposure value. That's all for the LH5P II wired control Panasonic S5 II camera tutorial.